Here we go, fourth graders. Your learning target is I can add a visual display that enhances the development of my main idea. So this is the presentation part that you will be doing on your own. So a visual display is kind of open, really. You could do this a couple different ways. You could maybe list some important facts that you think are pretty persuasive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a picture. So my topic's been on year-round school. So I'm going to do a Google search for year-round school. Now, in order to actually use these, when I go to images, I have to go to settings. Sorry, I always get this mixed up. I actually go to tools. Oh, sorry, I'm not in images. That's why. I gotta go to images, go to tools, go to usage rights, labeled for non-commercial reuse. And I'm going to see if I can find some sort of images in here that really add to my main idea of why we should have year-round school. So I see that there are some graphs people have made. Some of these are from Wikipedia, so I know that's probably not a super reputable source there. I'm wondering what something like this is. You know, as I look at these, none of these images really look all that well. I don't think showing pictures of kids is really going to sell people on the main idea of us having year-round school. And none of these other things really look like anything that could be used. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to here. And I'm going to just make a new slide kind of summarizing some points I've made why we should have year-round school. What I'm going to do is I'm going to list what my three main points are, and then when I present this, I'm actually going to sell some details. I don't have to type every single detail. I'm just going to type what I really want people to remember and then tell some more details about it. So one of my reasons was it will save schools money. Another reason was it will improve student performance. And another reason was other schools have had success with it. So when that says, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so people can read it, maybe even a little bit more. I think that looks good. So I capitalized the words here because they are titles. This really is a title. So these are my three main reasons why I feel we need to have year-round school. And then when I present, I'm not just going to read these, but I'm going to add a couple details from my blog or even from my PSA that's going to tell a little bit more about this so that I can convince people of why we should have year-round school. So even though it says a visual, it doesn't have to be a picture. If you can find one that really does add to your main idea to show what you are trying to convince people to do, go for it.